What's up, people? It's Frank here once again, coming to you with Crypto Moves channel, and today we'll be digging into cryptocurrency, power, credit and debit cards, and we'll discuss how they can both earn you some crypto as well as just which ones will be more convenient and their legacy counterparts for making purchases. And by the end of this video you will understand the pros and cons of using crypto bank cards, as well you will have the knowledge on how many of the top offerings are available right now. Our main focus today are cards that can be funded using cryptocurrency. However, we are also going to touch on some cards that just offer crypto as a reward. Also be aware that not all of the services we cover today are available in all countries. So be sure to look into the availability for the products that we speak today and which ones will be more suitable to you. Okay, so let's stop wasting time and let's get into the best cryptocurrency credit and debit cards available in 2021. Let me take you to the computer and then we'll start in today's strategy. Make sure that you follow every single step so that you don't miss out. If you like videos like this, please give me a massive like, because this will really help me to be able to create more content and find you the latest strategies on cryptocurrency and valuable information. So with that said, let's get into it. The strategy, I'm gonna show you different credit and debit cards that you can use where you're gonna get different benefits. So the first website which I would like you to come to is called Blogsify.com/credit card. Okay, and you can see that here it says earn the limited time bonus after your first purchase with the Blogsify rewards credit card, and then you'll be able to earn a limited 1.5% back in crypto on every purchase that you use with the Blogsify rewards Visa credit card. Okay, so I want you to come to the website, have a look, and you can see all the different benefits. So no annual fees, then you're gonna earn up to 3.5 back in crypto during the first 3 months, and then 2% back in crypto on every purchase over $50,000 of annual spent. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that in order to order this credit card, they're gonna need to approve you. So they're gonna look at your record and your credit history. But if you have a good record and credit history, you will be able to get this card. And the good thing is, like, you know, you can get so many different benefits as well. You're gonna get like 30% dollars every single time that you refer a friend to the platform, and then you can have a look. And then if you have different questions, you can come to the bottom here, and then you can see that the different benefits and the conditions in order for you to apply. Okay, and you know, it's something that for you to have a look and check it out, because it could be worthwhile. You know, a credit card, if you actually meet the criteria, then you're gonna be able to get your credit card and then be able to get crypto. Okay, so here it tells you more information on how it works, so then I'll advise you to come and check it out. Okay, so the next website which I would like you to come to is called crypto.com, and in crypto.com as well you're gonna click on the different type of cards available. Okay, and you can see this is the credit card over here, and then you're gonna be able to top it up with fiat or crypto, and then you can see the different benefits that you get. You know, you will get like the CRO state, which means staking, which means in holding to cryptocurrency your crypto.com a wallet for a period of 6 months. Okay, and then you will be able to get different credit card, different ones, and it will depend on how much you actually invest in, on how much percentage you will get, you know, on the rewards. So, you know, as well you have different benefits on different platforms like Spotify, Netflix, Prime, SP Media, and as well you get like a 10% off you know, on Airbnb purchases. You know, so I recommend you to come have a look, check it out, crypto.com credit card, and then you can see the allows for the withdrawal depending on the type of card that you have, and then, you know, you can see the different options over here. Okay, so you can come and see what are all the benefits, and then as you can see, it's a card that you're not gonna be connected to your phone, to your app, and then it's very easy for you to set it up and start getting benefits from it. Okay, and the next website which I would like to show you is called nexo.io, and then it says here, don't just hold crypto and daily interest on it. Okay, so then you can apply for this type of card, and then you can put your digital assets to work, and then you can get up to 20% per annum on your coins payout daily. Okay, so again, you can see what are the requirements. You just need to sign up, you need to get the coins, and then you will be able to earn every day, you know. So these are the options as well. It will allow you to calculate how much percentage you will get on big. For example, if you get, let's check Bitcoin, so you have $10,000, you will be able to get in 25 months you will have another $11,000, you know. So you'll be getting like another $1,000 extra to your current amount, which is for doing nothing. So this is great. And then it says and every day, stay flexible, and then you won't be able to charge any fees or any penalties. Okay, so then you can see the different percentage over here on the different currencies. So you know, it's a lot of people using it all around the world, and it's been backed up by other great companies like Forbes, like Bloomberg, Fox, and so on. Okay, so you can see 2.5 million people already trust Nexo to safely store their crypto. Okay, so just come check it out, another option for you, and I hope that you can benefit from it. And the next website which I would like to talk about is called Wildxda App.com. Okay, and this is a great revolutionary card, like it says here, if you actually traveling. So if you're traveling a lot, it will actually help you to end up at 2% crypto-backed rewards on all your spending. And you know, you can have a look more information about it. And it says that that means that you can simply spend any of 47 crypto and traditional currencies in real life, and whether you're picking check on the public transport, if that's the game changer, we don't know what it is, you know. So easy accessibility, easy for you to use, and then you can use it worldwide. You might have to check, you know, which countries are not allowed, but most of the countries will be, you know. So it has got global reach of over 1,500 countries. You get instant rewards, as you can see, 2% in WTX in all spending, online and offline, and then you get high limits and 0 fees. Okay, so in order to order your credit card, you can just click on it, and that will be the next step. Okay, so another credit card for you to come and check it out. Another website which I would like you to come and check it out is called Crypterium. Crypterium is like a bank, but for your crypto, and as well it will allow you a free wallet for Bitcoin and other 19 cryptocurrencies. So you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto with your bank card, and instantly get your own free Visa card withdraw worldwide. You can earn interest and stage on the best rates, and stay safe with banking class security. Okay, so the only wallet you ever needed, you can get it. You can get the physical card as well the digital. So you can have a look at all the benefits, all the features, and if it's something that you might think is worthwhile, I encourage you to come and check it out. And you can see here it gives you like a calculator on how much interest you could get, so you can end up to 50.6% on all your crypto, which is absolutely great. You know, instead of holding it, you will be able to get money back. Okay, and you can get a 1% crypto loan up to $5,000 within 5 minutes. Use your cryptocurrency as collateral and access an instant loan, pay back in flexible payments, you know. So this is actually very good, you know, as a way of getting some extra cash and some extra funding, you know, that you can actually utilize to grow your business. Next website which I would like to show you is called Uphold. So these websites are independent, but I wanted to show you because these are websites that you could actually as well trade between cryptocurrency, precious metals, US securities, and as well you will be able to get some benefits. Okay, so you can come check it out. You will get a debit card, and then you know it will actually give you different benefits when it comes to, you know, it says cheap forex, flexible payments, blockchain integration, and so on. Okay, so another option for you to buy your cryptocurrencies, and as well you can see the comparison between the different cards and see if this is something for you. Okay, so it's world class, it's worldwide, and then you'll be able to send money from anywhere, everywhere in the world. Okay, next website which I would like to show you is called Coinbase Card. So you can spend your crypto everywhere, and then basically you can spend your crypto instantly, and you can keep your crypto in a safe site, select your crypto wallet, and so on. You'll be able to track every Bitcoin and every cryptocurrency that you have, and then you can see different benefits over here. You won't be able to get as much interest as other cards, but you can as well come and check it out and see if it's something that is for you. Another website which I would like to show with you is Brex.com. So Brex.com won't be for personal, this will be more for business, but then if you have a business, then it might be worthwhile for you to use this credit card, and then you can spend on your management software or any other things without any fees, you know. So finding financial software and services to fuel your growth lets you send free ACH and wires worldwide, get higher card limits, earn money, saving rewards, and track expense easily. Okay, so you can come check it out, you can see the reviews, and then you can as well check the different benefits that you could get with the different cards. Then as well you can get Sophie.com. It's another credit card which is designed to help you save and invest and pay down debt. So you will earn 2% unlimited cashback when you redeem it. Okay, so this is actually very good. There is no annual fee, so it's a good credit card to check, you know. So I'll advise you to come check it out and see, you know, the different benefits that you could get out of it. They have got a good video explanation over here, which you can as well play on your own time and see this is something that could benefit you. And the last website which I would like to share with you is called Unify Money. And Unify Money here is a premium credit card that invests as you spend. Okay, so it will be available in the first quarter of 2022. So I'm just bringing this information, but as well here it's gonna tell you the type of things that you will get, what the benefits, why it's so valuable, and then it will be, you know, you will be able to earn interest from this card like you have earned from others. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. I wanted to share all the different credit cards, crypto cards that you can use and as well get benefit out of it, because if you're gonna buy things with the credit card, you might as well get some type of interest back, so then you can maximize the amount of money that you have. Okay, so this is all for today's strategy. If you like this type of videos, please don't forget to give me a massive like, because that will really help to keep growing the channel and keep bringing you the latest strategies on the cryptocurrency world and different ways that you can actually maximize your results and get more money for the money that you invest. Okay, as I say, just do always your own research. I hope that you find this valuable, and I will come very soon with the latest strategies and the latest new in the cryptocurrency world. Okay, so I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will see you very soon.